Association of the Philippines Cat Show.
And man,
And I've never seen so many beautiful cats in my entire life.
I've never seen so much pussy. Cat.
My only regret is that I wasn't able to include Psyche in this contest
She would have kicked that.
because I didn't know that there was one. The funny thing about cats is that they won't do anything to get your attention. In fact, the judges are just trying so hard to get them to move, but they're not moving.
Cats rule, dogs drool.
I mean, it just shows how smart cats are.
And it's amazing to note also that most of the cats are like, because of the heat, they're panting like crazy.
Humans can't just order them around.
No dog tricks, no handlers, no expensive toys, and no picture taking. With some cats. What's up with that? Okay, my favorite cat has to be the one with the gray, white, black coat. It was just sleeping the whole time. Yes, we're the same. Fat, sleeping all the time, gray, and fat. Go Psyche!
My favorite cat is the cat with a flat face. I think it's a Persian cat.